Hello and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. Today again working on my KLX 300. I needed to find a storage solution while riding, to put my camera gear, to put my charging, to put my toolbox. So at the first I thought of buying like a soft top, but because I already have a Rotopax that it was strapped here, I was trying to figure out a way, and putting a soft on top of the Rotopax I tried with my backpack wasn't that great. So I went to Princess Auto in Canada and I bought this waterproof tool case, and they say is impact resistant. It's pretty tough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strap this here, and the Rotopax is gonna go on top of it. So I'm gonna secure this to 2, 4, 6 holes in the rear rack, and then the Rotopax on top. So first, let me take the Rotopax stand out. Rotopax stand is out. Let me show you what's going on here. So basically, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes to work with. But I'm gonna use 2 of this, 2 big ones in the middle, and 2 on the side to mount this box. But because I'm lazy, instead of lifting this up, taking this 2 off, I'm gonna take a piece of chalk and I'm gonna mark this. Hopefully it's gonna work on the box. All right, so let's try and make it centered. That sounds pretty good. And now let's mark this hole. So 1 is here. Okay. Seems like it's pretty tough to mark while this rack is here. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna unscrew this stuff, and hopefully this swings up. And I have extra washers because for 2020 extra spacers for 2024. For some reason this needs extra spacers. Anyhow, so that's being said and done. Doesn't have to be perfect. As far back as I can, and let's drill. Well, I'm going to try to align it. So, taking this foam out, I'm going to put some screws in. All right, all done. All done. Good stuff. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Sturdy. So now I'm gonna take the Rotopax and I am gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna put it right here so the Rotopax comes this way. Yep, and that's pretty much it. All right, so the mount is in, and here you go. Let me put the Rotopax on top. See how it fits. and it fits good. That is, fits good. Yep, there you go. Nice. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.